What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can change the payment threshold on the Google AdSense account. So let's get started. Now first off, once you open up your Google AdSense account, you will be on your AdSense homepage right here. Now I'm on the AdSense for YouTube account, so you need to keep in mind which AdSense type you have. Now from here, from your homepage, to change the payment threshold, you would need to go to the payment section right here and then select the first option that says Payments Info. Now once you're on the Payments Info tab, here you would be able to see your current threshold. So I currently have it set to about 20,000 euros, but if you didn't change this should be about 70 euros or $100, depending on your region. Now, once you're here, all you need to do is go to the Manage Settings tab right here under the Settings menu. And here you have your payment schedule, and right under it is your payment threshold. So to customize this, you would need to click on this pen icon right here and simply input whichever payment threshold you would like to have from now on. Now, as you can see, as I mentioned, the minimum for the euro currency is 70 euros. Now, once you input your amount, you can just click Save right here, and from there on your payment threshold will be updated. So that's guys how you can change or update your payment threshold on Google AdSense for YouTube specifically. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.